Hi, it's Gary from AlluGuard and welcome to the Garage Door channel. Today we're going to be going through some of the reasons why I'm changing my up and over garage door for a roller door. Follow me. Short drive lengths will mean that you have to park your car close up to the garage door so that it doesn't encroach onto the pavement line. Let me show you. Not ideal. Does this look familiar? When reversing into your garage, the wing mirrors are just a little bit too close for comfort. Overhead tracks suspended from the wall or the ceiling, resulting in reduced storage space. Not ideal. Does this look familiar? Gaps all around your garage door, daylight, leaves all over your garage floor. Not ideal. Up and over door automation, big and bulky, suspended from the ceiling, getting in the way of the lights. Not ideal. Shopping or getting your golf clubs out the boot of your car. Not ideal. As you can see, the old door has now been removed and we have a nice, clean, new opening ready to install the new AlluGuard 77 roller door. The AlluGuard roller door, clean and compact, with no garage door or track suspended from the ceiling, giving you total storage space within the garage. Ideal. Make the most of the space on your driveway and park right up. As slim as I am, I cannot get between the door and its opening mechanism and the rear of my car. Ideal. By installing the door behind the brickwork reveals, this will increase your drive-through width by approximately 150 millimeters, resulting in no clipped wing mirrors. Ideal. With no garage door or tracks protruding into your garage, opening the boot of your car, no problem. How does the AlluGuard roller door keep out the weather? Here we have a full weather seal across the bottom of the door, keeping out the leaves and the light and the drafts. With inside the guide we have a fur pile which keeps out the drafts, and we also have a polyurethane foam filled aluminium lath. Opens at the touch of a button. How easy is that?